What's the meaning of certainly? Certainly. Certainly.
Certainly. Certainly. Certainly is an adverb that indicates complete assurance and agreement. It conveys a message of absolute certainty, without any doubt or hesitation. When someone responds with certainly, it means they are extremely confident in their answer or statement. For example, if a customer asks a waiter if they offer vegetarian options and the waiter replies certainly, it implies that the restaurant does indeed have vegetarian options. In essence, certainly is a way of expressing complete confidence and certainty about something, leaving no room for ambiguity.